I start with the premise that almost everything we consume is regulated. The food we eat, the medication we take, the cars we drive. We have consumer protections around these things. We don't have the same consumer protections around the digital space, and I say this as someone who fed into the Online Safety Act in the UK. I don't think it's very good, but I did work on it. And I still say we don't have the same consumer protections because fundamentally we're not the consumers of tech or social media. We're the product, right? Or rather, our time and attention is the product which is being sold to advertisers.